Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Taya, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today my January Ipsy Glam Bag came in the mail, so we're just going to do a really quick unboxing. We're going to open up my Ipsy Glam Bag and we're going to see what came inside of it this month. So let's not waste any time. Let's just get started. Okay, so this is my package that has my Ipsy bag in it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So I have already seen what the bag looks like. But this is what the bag looks like. It looks a little washed out on my computer screen. So I'm hoping you are actually picking up how bright this is. This is like a neon green, but it doesn't look like that on my screen. I actually really like this bag. I know people were having mixed emotions about it because it's not all glammed out or like super girly like some of the other bags that we've gotten the past few months, but I actually think this is extremely cute. I love everything about it. I love the mesh, I love the colors, I love the sporty feel to it. I love everything about it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and pull out the first item. So the first thing that I pulled out of my bag is this NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. I have heard of the NYX, who hasn't heard of the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipsticks, but I do not own any of them. I own several of the liquid suede. The liquid suede ones, I think is what they're called, because I bought the most recent vault during the holiday season, so I actually have all of the colors. But I don't have any of the lingerie, so I'm excited about this one. NYX has really good lip products, so I'm sure this one will be no different. But the color of this one is Beauty Mark, and I'm just going to open it up really quick and swatch it. I don't know why I always I always smell everything when I open it. I'm such a weirdo. But yeah, I'm just going to swatch it on my hand. And it's just like a really nice chocolate brown. It's a really nice brown. Looks like a color I have already in one of my ColourPop liquid lipsticks, but it looks nice. It's just a brown color, and I'm sure I will get some good use out of it. So let's move on to the next one. So the next item in my bag is a City Color Contour Palette. It has a highlight, a bronzer, and a contour. Okay. Okay, that's not so bad. I don't know, I was just expecting these colors to be way off. This highlight is off. This off. That's too light for me. But yeah, this contour shade definitely looks like something I could work with. This light is definitely washing everything out, so it's not really doing this color injustice, but it's a deep brown color that I think that I could actually use for a contour, so that's nice. So this right here is the contour shade, and I'm pleased because it actually looks like something that I could actually contour with. There's also a bronzer shade. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. And then there's this highlight shade, which I don't know what on God's green earth I'm supposed to do with that one. Maybe I'm just supposed to use it as a translucent powder over my concealer or something like that, because I mean, what the hell am I highlight with that? I didn't necessarily need this, but hey, I'll take it. I like that it's really small and compact, so I'll be able to just like take it very easily on the go. So, and City Color, actually I am familiar with the City Color brand because when I was subscribed to the Sugar Bash subscription box, I got a City Color peachy bronze palette or something to that effect in that palette, which I love and I use all the time. But yeah, this is the one I already had. This is the one I just got in my Ipsy bag. Let's move on. Oh, I didn't even look at the card. So it also has this card in it that says I will conquer, and then it has a blank, so I guess you could write in whatever you're trying to conquer. And the back says Game Face. It's like a sporty athletic themed bag, which I'm totally into that. I am pretty athletic. Oh, I don't know if I would say I'm pretty athletic, but I work out a lot because of the military, so I like stuff like this. So yeah, this next one is, it says Be Fine Food Skincare Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. So I'm really into skincare right now because, you know, as I get older, it's really important that I kind of get ahead of the aging and make sure that I'm taking good care of my skin. I'm just going to open it really quick and smell it because, like I said, I smell everything because I'm a weirdo. It's sealed as it should be. I'm just going to be gross and use my teeth. Yo, what's good? This thing is sealed. It is sealed up good. They are not playing any games. Hold on. That's... Oh! I got some in my mouth. Yeah. It smells really nice, but it doesn't smell how I expected it to smell. It smells... It has a very familiar scent, but it's not any of the things that are listed here. It smells like an alcoholic beverage. But I can't put my finger on what kind of alcoholic beverage it smells like, but that's kind of weird. But it doesn't smell bad. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this and see how it works out. Let's move on. Okay, so the next item in my January Ipsy bag is this Caviar Cream, CC Cream, 10-in-1 Complete Correction, Leave-In Hair Perfector. Apply evenly to clean towel, dried hair, and style as desired. Okay, sure, I'll try it. I don't know how this will work with my natural hair, but hey, I'll try it and see. I have to check out the ingredients, but a hair cream. Moving on. Okay, so the last item in my bag, Fierce Flicks. So it is an eyeliner, I believe. So yeah, it's an eyeliner. I kind of have this like weird obsession with eyeliners. I have so many eyeliners, it's ridiculous, which is really funny because I barely use them. I'm not very good at doing winged liner, so I like to believe that I will practice it and get amazing at it and justify all of the liquid eyeliners that I have, but that has not happened yet. But anyway, yeah, so I've got another liquid eyeliner. This is called, the brand is Ciate, and it's called Fierce Flicks, and I'm just going to open it and see what the tip looks like. It's a pretty thick tip. Ooh, I like that. I like how it glided on, and ooh, it dried down really quick. It's not budging. It dried matte. It's very black. I'm feeling like I'm going to like this. I'm really feeling like I'm going to like this. Kind of into it. I'm excited about this one. Okay guys, so those are all of the items that came in my January Ipsy bag. I actually really liked this month's bag. I'm pretty pleased with it. It was well worth the $10 that you spend monthly for the bag, because one of these NYX lingerie lipsticks costs $7 alone, and you know, the bag was $10 and I got 4 other products besides this. But then also, I'm not really familiar with this brand, Ciate London, but I did look this up. I googled it just a second ago, and this eyeliner, they sell this at Sephora for $19. So that's more than I spent on this bag for all of these items. So definitely good value for the money, and definitely all products that I'm pretty excited about trying out. So I'm going to give this bag a thumbs up. Can't wait to try out these products. But that's it guys. I don't want to ramble and make this video too long. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you take off. Please be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!
as you leave.